Do you need to pay a team member, supplier, or contractor? With Payoneer, you can make a payment to just about anyone for free. To get started, log into your Payoneer account. Go to Pay and then make a payment. Begin by selecting or entering the email address of the person you want to pay. Select the currency balance or card that you want to pay from. Note that your available balance will be displayed beneath this field. Now enter the amount you want to pay. Finally, type in a short description of what you're paying for. The text you type here will be displayed in the email sent to your recipient. When you're done, click Review. Review the details of your payment and make sure everything is correct. If you need to change anything, click Edit and update the relevant field. After you're sure that all is correct, confirm the payment details and then click Pay Now. Your payment will be made immediately, and your recipient will generally receive it within 2 hours. We'll send you an email confirmation once the funds have been deposited. Now, what happens if your recipient is not yet a Payoneer customer? If any of your recipients are not yet Payoneer customers, this is the summary page that you'll see after entering the payment details. Send them an invitation to sign up, and then they'll be able to receive this and future payments with ease. In addition, you may both be eligible for a $25 Refer a Friend reward. As before, review the payment details and then click Send Invite. You'll then see this confirmation page, and your recipient will receive this email invitation to sign up to Payoneer and receive your payment. Once your recipient has signed up to Payoneer, you'll receive this email notification with a link to complete the payment. That's it! With Payoneer's Make a Payment service, you're always only a few clicks away from making payment to anyone, anywhere, anytime. For additional assistance, or if you have any questions, please go to www.payoneer.com. Click Help on our homepage, and then Customer Care.